Which banks are likely to be most affected by the regulations that President Obama is proposing?
I think based on what we know, all of the large banks will be affected in one form or another. Of course, it goes without saying that since the proposals are targeted mostly to hedge fund activities, private equity activities, and proprietary trading activities, which in some ways one could describe as non-traditional banking activities, the newer bank holding companies, Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, certainly in some ways are probably more likely candidates to be affected in a substantial way, although I would say others like JP Morgan equally have quite a bit to look at.
How big is the impact likely to be?
If laws are passed in the form that he has, in rather broad strokes, described, I think they could be quite significant, both in terms of the activities banks engage in. Obviously, banks engage in a lot of proprietary trading, and their hedge fund and private equity activities have expanded in recent years. And therefore, I think the impact could be quite big. Secondly, the second aspect of the proposal, which are the quote-unquote size limitations, we have even less detail on those, so we don't really know where that's headed. Is that going to be a general size limitation? Is that going to be limitations within specific submarkets like repos or other things? And therefore, the impact of that could also be big. We just don't know enough on that one.